Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you do it. So click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on NASDAQ100. But before that, let's do a quick recap of what we did, our analysis of what we did last week and yesterday. We told you all that we will be expecting a bullish move from this level on NASDAQ100, right? This was a prediction. We did a prediction, this analysis on the 19th. We were expecting it to actually give us that bullish move, and this is it. That's eventually given us that bullish move. Absolutely movement, fantastic movement. One of the reasons why you need to be among the Patreon channel subscribers, which I'll put the link in the comment section. So if you trade NASDAQ 100, US 500, which is S&P 500, or US 30, right? You should be in the Patreon. I'll put the link there, so you'll be getting there. I'll be giving you guys, daily back-to-back updates on what you should be expecting next on NASDAQ 100. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on NASDAQ 100. Let's zoom it out by going to our forward weekly time frame variable, weekly time frame. So now let's start with the trend. We all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either trending to the upside, trending downward, or trending ranging, by the way. So it's either we're having a series of higher high, higher low, which is going up, or we're having a series of lower low and a lower high, which is going down, or we tend to see market starts ranging within this side. So you can see it here. Markets ranged within this level. Markets trend down within this level, which you see it, perfectly well if you go to the forward time frame and daily time frame. The market eventually range and trend up within this level. So we would want to know our trend, and we can clearly see that in our trend on NASDAQ 100, we are on an uptrend move. So basically, our forecast is to the upside. We will continue the movement to the upside. Now, this is it. This is exactly what I want us to see. So we had an impulsive move. So yeah, it's an impulsive move. Then we had a corrective wave. If you take a look at this corrective wave, within this corrective wave, we were having a series of lower low and a lower high. So market has literally been dropping, especially when you go to your daily time frame or your forward time frame. You see series of lower low and a lower high. Then we had this impulsive move. Within this impulsive move, we were having a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Then we had this corrective wave, impulsive move. This is a corrective wave. This is also an impulsive move. You can see that once we're having that impulsive move, it tends to take out the previous high. So this was the previous high. This high took out this previous high. Then this high also, yeah, took out this previous high. Then we had this corrective wave. And now this is the impulsive move. Gotten that impulsive move. So you should have it in mind that within 2, 3, or probably 4 months, within 3 to 4 months period, let's give it a wider time frame, a corrective wave definitely going to come to play. So this impulsive move has been made. That is for this movement. You should be in on this movement. That is for traders, long-term traders, right? You should be in for this movement. So the impulse move have been made. So if you're a very long-term trader, probably a position trader, it will be best to start securing some profits, because we never can tell when the corrective wave will start playing out. So if it starts playing out, I'll give you guys an update on that. Now let's go to what we are expecting. So if you take a look at this, we had this higher high here. Here comes the higher low. Here is the high. Here comes the higher low. If you take a look at this, we had the higher high. Here comes the higher low. Now we've gotten an higher high, right? So what we should be expecting next is an higher low. So we should be expecting a pullback possibly this week. So there is a possible there's possibility that we're expecting a pullback this week. So have it in mind. So I wanted to have it that a pullback is literally coming very soon. So be very, very careful. The impulse move have been made, which is the higher high have already been made. So what next we should be expecting is a pullback for the week. So be expecting a pullback, possibly a bearish move. Now let's take a look at this. This is our higher high here. And here comes the higher low. There is the higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is our higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is also our higher high. So of course, one thing you should be expecting next on NASDAQ100 is higher low. So be expecting an higher low this week on NASDAQ100. So if we get that higher low, I'll give you guys an update on what next will happen. Probably we could start seeing that bullish move, the new higher high starting from here, or is likely to come back to test this same level again. A strong possibility it will likely come here to test this level before it push up. So above all, expect a pullback on NASDAQ100. Do not copy for the buy again. I think the buy for now is over. Wait for the pullback to play out. So you should still be expecting a pullback, especially when you go to your 1 hour time frame. You see something like this: high, pullback, high, then expect a pullback. Once the pullback plays out, then you can now hop in for the high again. That is if you want to. I'll give you guys an update when the high starts. So that is what we'll be expecting this week. We should be expecting a pullback this week. Once the pullback comes, then I'll give you guys an update on when the new high will be playing. So join the Patreon channel. I'll put the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. We are going to give you guys more updates. Also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Also subscribe and turn on the bell notification button. So let's do a quick recap on what we'll be expecting this week. This is our high and our low here. Our high took out this previous high. Here comes the low. High, low, high. You can see it. Now that this high has been made, you should be expecting higher low. A pullback is what you should be. I think this movement will be for reversal trader. Those who knows how to do can trade reversal. I think this will be the perfect and best opportunity for you to open on the reversal. So see you guys next time.